Here we go, news. First one is these three types. Three types of noses. First one is the basic square with its gut and the gut. Pretty good. Next one is little two lines with just shape right there. Next one is Kitcho, abomination of Skibidi toilet. I need a pencil for that. Oh my gosh, I don't know the airbrush pencil. There we go. Because, oh my gosh, what just happened? Bro, are you kidding me? What this is I need to just skip it. Bro, what just happened?
Straight to the top, never going down, don't wait for the drop.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Never stand still, that's the motto.
That's a copyright one. This is not friendly. Bro, what just happened? And this. Oh my gosh, this. Bro, this mo. Wow. I wonder is this this one? And the pencil. There it goes. As in got a little skate like that. Next, draw one circle at the middle. Add. Oh my gosh, I need to do it. Add a big circle the middle. Next, two lines. Next one is two circles again. This doesn't look like but I know what. Wait, you need to just add a single thing. Do this. Go to the eraser and fade. Wow. Fantastic mo. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to add a little circle like this. Okay, circle like no, I'm going to just do this. Bro, there it goes. No. There it goes. Oh my god. What just happened? And the edge. Oh my gosh. This stroke of the perfect goal, going to add the dice. This is a tutorial also for adding a do a parallelogram. I don't know how to set the parallelogram. Now, this is the basic script. Make sure the nose is smooth. Something is off. Very off. This is good. There it goes. Oh. Something's off of it. There it goes. Bro. There goes the channel. Channel. Now I'm going to switch to the pen and lower the size just now curve out the corners and boom. Pretty good. Next I'm going to add I'm going to make sure they're showing the self-copy. Yep. There it goes. Ayon sa local historian ng Batangas, si Dr. Jigger Gilera, nakabaon din sa Taal ang malalim na kasaysayan. May mga bayan daw na nag-alip. Ano yung mga may lansan pa dito ang gusto mo kumain, ha? Now I'm going to show you how to do a singular map. First draw. For the sketch I'm going to draw, I'm going to grab the pencil. Wait a minute. What is this? Sketch? Oh, sketchy. Okay. I'm going to draw a singular heart. There it goes. Now I'm going to go backwards. Draw a heart again. Boom. That's the main frame. I'm going to just draw one line again. Oh my god, I just read. Bruh. I'm gonna just add a line directed. And he's looking fine. There he goes. Oops. Wala na rin manggama? Mahiga. Parang hawa mo na. Sige na anak, sige na. Pahinga ka na, sige tulog na. Tama yung mga bebe mo nakakalat, o? Pwede mo ba ito? Binako lang yung bebe. Isang pari daw, ano? Ayun noon niya yung nagkagawa ito naman. Bro has fit mouth. Oo, magtete ka na. Oo, ang pinuwi. Bro. Oh, that's fit mouth.
Want to just relax. I'm going to... Bro.
Laki na ng baby namin na. Ilang pakilitan sila.
Dedikas. Bro.
Dito na kami ni Doc Jaber sa lugar na pinagdubugan umano.
Pag sinauno, Diyos ko, alag-alag ka pa.
Ito yung pinag-uunang location. Bakit lumipat?
Ganyo na yung kwan, alas 12 nga kagabi.
Siya dahil
Wala na si Mami, oh. Wala si Mami.
Bro.
ano yung mga nagaganap dito sa
Jesus is the
location? Malaki siya, malaki. Trading post siya.
Repent. Everything done.
Ito yung bulalakaw. Mukhang nandito sa isa. Matawag din ay ulong lipahan.
There you go. Look at that.
Yung simbahan ay sa
Ew.
Ipinakita niya ang mga kuha sa ilalim noong dekada 80 nang pisirin nila ang Taanay. Makikita sa larawan ng mga imahe ng mga pinagpatong-patong ng mga
Well,
na tila bahagi ng dingding
and this process,
bunga man ang sumpa o nagkataon lamang may paliwanag sa Jig.
yung ano nga
I'm gonna work.
Ay, mamam ka na. Oy, mamam ka.
Bro, look at this dude.
Anong mamam na? Tubig? Ay, tubig? Tubig mo?
Subalit ang pagsabog ng bulkan
I don't know why the lips is like that, but that's what I can show. That's what I do. So,
noong Enero taong 2020.
So, ako gusto mo maraming
and that's too large.
yung
Sigma bar, Sigma bar, Sigma bar. Sigma, Sigma bar, Sigma bar.
Itinabulang ng pagputok ng bulkan ang mga turista. Kung kaya naiwasan ang mas malalang kawaan ng COVID.
ito ang nangyari ko ng kami tumigil. Dahil ng nakadalo, hindi kami mapapag sa aming
What the Sigma?
ganito. Parang ng mga sundalit na ako. Sundalit.
Ooh.
Para sa amin,
Ew.
Dito rin ako nag-quarantine noong panahon ng pandemic kasama ang aking pamilya. Dito kami sa Taan Lake sumungo.
Bro.
Bilang isa sa mga naunang COVID survivor sa bansa.
Bro, what the Sigma is that? If you like this video,
para kinod kami ng
click
tal na ito.
subscribe and make sure to garururu that subscribe button right now. We're currently on
Ginagawa mo?
oh my god. What is this? Currently on 4 subscribers. I'm going to reach 10. So, bye guys, subscribe.